Alright guys, today we're going to be talking about private scores and world scores. So first I'm going to show you this map I've created. This is a racetrack. I have three paths. I have a red, a blue, and a green. They go around the track in one direction. They all go clockwise. If you hover over it, you'll show it going clockwise. And the jet flies along the blue path, and then the green Kodu or the green motorcycle moves on the green, and the red moves on the red. And I'm going to show you what this does. In the top right hand corner, you're going to notice green coins, and that's in green, and then the world score, which is in blue. And I'm driving the green one. I can also switch to the red one if I push F2, and now I'm driving the red one. And if I push F3, if I push F3, maybe not. If I push F3, I go to the world, so I can just look around. So, what happens on this game is if you pick up a green coin, your motorcycle gets a little bit faster. So every green coin I get, my motorcycle will move faster and faster. Also, and you'll notice that the coin score is going up. So as I'm picking up these green coins, my green coin score is going up. And then also the blue score is going up, which it is 8. And then the green, now when I pick up that coin, now it's 9. And if I pick up this coin, now it's 10. And my car just keeps getting faster every time I grab one of these coins. Now, if I switch to the other car, you'll notice, or the other motorcycle, you'll notice he's still going slow. He hasn't picked up any coins. Oh, there we go. Now I got a coin. Here's another one. So if I pick up this coin, he's going to go even faster. But you'll notice that the score changes between which motorcycle that I'm on. So this motorcycle has picked up 4 coins. The other motorcycle has picked up another number, which we don't know because we're not driving it. Well, you're probably wondering, how did you switch between 2 different numbers on 2 different cars? Well, I'll show you. So here, if I go back to this one, now I'm on 11 coins. 12 coins, and if I switch back to this one, I'm on 6 coins. And I'll go back to the main world, and you'll be able to see this guy's slower than that guy, because this guy's collected more coins and this guy's collected less coins. And we have the jet. He's moving even faster. He moves faster based upon the world score. When the world score goes up, he gets faster. So as these motorcycles pick up coins, it's going to make him faster so he can keep up with the motorcycles. And if you hit a red coin, let's look at that. So I have 10. If I hit a red coin, it's going to take away a point. So 9. My motorcycle just got slower. And I got another one. He's even slower, and so on and so forth. So let's look at this code. So let's look at, it's going to look like a lot of stuff, but it says when you push F1, go to page 2, and always use page 3, and always move on the path. So here's page 2. When I'm on page 2, it's going to WASD moves, F2 switches to page 1, F3 switches to page 1. Copy this here. And then always set green score to A. And you'll notice this is a lowercase a. That A is this robot's personal score. And then on my page 3, it says, and this is a lot of junk, but just pay attention to this. When it bumps into a red coin, subtract a lowercase a. That's his personal score. If he bumps a green coin, add 1 to his personal score, A. And then it also says subtract a capital A if he hits a red coin, and it says add a capital A if he hits a blue coin or a green coin. So the capital A's deal with this guy here, and the lowercase a's deal with each individual robot or each individual motorcycle. So if we go to this motorcycle and then we go to his page 3 and we scroll down, you'll see that when the score of lowercase a is at 0, move speed is 1. And then whenever he gets 1 coin, move speed is 1.1. When he has 2 coins, 1.2, and it just keeps going down. 1.5, down here it's at 1.9, here it's at 2.4, and just so on and so forth. This lowercase a. Well, if we look at this robot, his stuff is exactly the same. His code is exactly like it. But whenever the green robot picks up coins, it doesn't affect the red robot. Like if you were going to use a color, it would affect both of them. But if you use the lowercase a, it affects only that Kodu. Only that unit does it affect. So you'll see when he has 0 coins, he moves at 1. And when he has 5 coins, he moves at 1.5. And so on and so forth. If he has 12 coins, he moves at 2.2. Okay, now let's look at this guy. It says on his line, page 3, when the score of capital A is 0, he moves at 0.7, and when the score of capital A is at 1, 0.8, 0.9, 10, and then 1, and so on and so forth. But he works off the capital A's. So this person has a personal A score. Every time he picks up a red or green coin, it will either add or subtract. Same thing with this guy, red or green score. And that is with the capital A and lowercase a. Let's look at this and I'll show you what I mean. We could say when bumped into a, let's do coin, do add a, now you'll see right here it has a world score and a private score. The world scores are all capital letters, and these are basically just like a bunch of different colors. All the colors affect everything in the world. But then you'll see the private score. These are all lowercase letters. These letters only affect this certain Kodu, the iceberg. This only affects the iceberg. So if you give this iceberg a score of 100 lowercase a's, this iceberg is the only thing that's going to have lowercase a score. But if you gave it a capital A, then the whole world is going to get 100 A score. Pretty cool stuff. Alright guys, so that was world score and private score. You can use this to do all kinds of stuff. Some pretty cool things that, I mean, adding individual speed boost is pretty cool. You can add individual all kinds of stuff. So anyway, have a good day.